Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let introduce myself. My name is Tasya Maulina Nafisa and student ID 12520400090, class from class D, and story title The Wind Press. Why I choose this story? Because this story is powerful contrast between elegant and horror. It begins as a polite dinner conversation about wine, but slowly turns into a dark tale about racism, hypocrisy, and hidden revenge. So today we are going to learn how to analyze English pronunciation. We will focus on 5K. First, IPA transition. 2, word stress. 3, thought group. 4, promising sentence stress. And last, reflection. Sentence 1. You don't have to be friends to enjoy design red wine. And word stress explanation. Don't friends enjoy designed wind. And stress sentence. Friends red wine establishes cultural pride and refinement, sets up in irony between sophistication and savagery later. And sentence 2, but you do have to be friends to recognize one. Word stress explanation. 2, friends recognize and one. And sentence stress recognize implies a kind of elitism or exclusivity tied to national identity. Sentence 3. Charles de Cruz said nothing. He had always concluded his contempt for such idea. And word stress. Carlos Cruz nothing. He always conclude contempt an idea. And sentence stress. Charles de Cruz contempt, proper name and emotion give the scan character and tension, foreshadow disdain for pretension. And sentence 4. A truly full body Bordeaux wine among wines. And stress word. Truly full body Bordeaux wine and among. Stress sentence. Full body Bordeaux wine among wines has description typical of wine lover language, emphasizing sensual pleasure. Personally, before I uncork a bottle, I like to know what is it. And stress word. Personally, uncork bottle and know. Sentence stress. Uncork. Metaphorical assonance. Uncorking. Letter parallels the act of realizing violence. And sentence 6. The wine in this chest is the best vintage in the world. Stress word. World, wine, chest, best, vintage, and world. Stress sentence: Cask, best vintage in the world, turns wine. Imagery into a symbol of obsession or perfectionism. Sentence 7: The angel that Pierre had married in Madagascar had become a terminage blinded by jealousy. And stress word: angel, Pierre, marriage, Madagascar, and terminage, and jealous. Sentence stress: angel, Pierre, Madagascar, terminage, blinded by jealous. Introduce human drama, contrast idealist love angel with corrupted reality, termine the exotic setting Madagascar heightens mystery. The screw, sentence 8: the screw beat slowly into her shoulder and screamed again. Stress word: screw, slowly, into, shoulder, screamed again. And sentence stress: screw, beat slowly, shoulder, screamed, struck sensory word that mark the tonal shift from refinement to horror. And sentence 9: Pierre put the rest of the body into the press and tied up. And word stress explanation: Pierre's body into press, tied, and up. Sentence stress: Pierre put the rest of the body into the press, tied up. Grotesque transformation of winemaking tools in instrument of murder, tied up, and chilling domestic normalcy. And the last sentence: heaven forbid, General, everyone knows that the best vintage should always come first. The word stress is heaven forbid, General, everyone know, best vintage always come first. And sentence stress: heaven forbid, General, best vintage should always come first. Ironic conclusion: polite etiquette, mass, monstrous deeds, completing the story, dark humor. So this story show how stress, rhythm, and self-spoken English word like best vintage and converse are stressed because they carry the main meaning and irony. Dividing sentence into two groups and using natural voices help listener grasp the underlying message. Proper intonation bring the narrative to life, leaving a bitter yet striking impression, like a fine vintage wine hiding its secret. And thank you for watching and joining us in the analysis. Don't forget to like and comment for more insight to stories and language. See you in the next video.